All right. Good morning, everybody. Second period and fourth period. I'm out this morning because I'm at a meeting at the district office, but this is our schedule for today, Tuesday, October 24th, 2023. Describe how autotrophs slash producers, those are things like plants and algae that don't need to eat. They get their energy, they make their own food using a process called photosynthesis. And that's where they use sunlight and they get water and they get carbon dioxide and they make their food, which is glucose sugar. All right, so we're going to finish plus submit the photosynthesis activity worksheet from Friday. There's another video on Google Classroom that's going to show you how to do it. It's going to help you out. We have our photosynthesis virtual lab plant height, and I'm going to get you started on that. And there's an optional Ed puzzle, which is like a lecture on photosynthesis. All right, so here we go. All right, I'm going to quickly get you started on this photosynthesis virtual lab number 2, light and plant growth. So you're going to click this little link right here, and it's going to take you to this little virtual, I don't know, garden to grow stuff. All right, so here's your pre-lab. So what's the summary equation for photosynthesis? That was on our last 2 worksheets, so you can do that. What are the 2 reactions in photosynthesis? I'll help you with this one. There's 2 reactions in photosynthesis. The first one's called the light dependent reaction. And the second one is called it's got 2 names. You can either call it the Calvin cycle, or it's also called the light independent reaction. 3, I'll help you out with this one because we've only gone over this once. So NADPH, it carries high energy, it carries hydrogen and high energy blanks. So in this unit and the next one, if it's ever 4 letters or 5 letters, this is 5 letters, and it does not form a word, NADPA, that's not a word. Whenever it's 4 or 5 letters and it's not a word, they carry high energy electrons. All right. So there's also going to be, and don't type this, in the next unit, there's also going to be NADH, and there's going to be FADH2. Both of those are 4 letters, and none of those are words. NADH or FADH. Those aren't words. So these also carry electrons, but we're not going to do that right now. All right, so now, you want to answer these. Hypothesis, this is just your guess. Which color of light do you think plants are going to grow the most? So you could put blue, you could put purple, you could put orange, green, whatever you think. And B, which color of light do you think plants will grow the least in? And remember, this is just your guess, so pick a color, put it right here. And now we're going to fill in these charts right here. So we're going to grow 3 different types of plants: spinach, radish, and lettuce. And we're going to grow them in 5 different colors of light: red, orange, green, blue, and violet or purple. Red's already done for us, so don't do it. So I'm gonna do spinach for you in orange and green. So you can see in red light they grew 3 spinach plants. One was 16.5 centimeters, one was 21.5, one was 17.5. If you add those all up and divide it by 3, you get the average. All right, so I'm gonna do the orange and the green spinach. So I go here. First thing I need to do is I got to put spinach seeds into the pots. Boom. Dink, 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 dink. All right, so now I got spinach. And now I'm going to do orange and green. So I'm going to switch this one to orange. There it is. I'm going to put this one on green. There we go. Now I'm ready to go. I turn it on. Boom. I let the plants grow. All right, how tall are they? Well, you got to grab your little ruler over here and bring it over here. All right, so just be kind of close. This one looks about, I'm going to say 12 centimeters tall. This one looks about 16. It's 16 or 17. I'm going to go 12, 16, and this one is, we'll go 15. 12, 16, 15. All right, so go back over here. 12 centimeters, 16 centimeters, and 15. All right, so now we got to find the average. 12 plus 16 plus 15 divided by 3. So you have a calculator here. 12 plus 16 plus 15 divided by 3 equals 14.333. So back here. So the average for the spinach grown in orange light is 14.3, I don't know, not 4, 14.3 centimeters. And now let's do the green. So go back over here. I clear this. Clear. Get my ruler, bring it over here. All right, this one is about 2 centimeters. This one's about 3 centimeters, and that's about 1. So 2, 3, and 1. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So under green light, this one grew 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and the other one grew 1 centimeter. I had to find the average. 2 plus 3 plus 1 divided by 3. Calculator again. 2 plus 3 plus 1. Oh, I screwed up. Try that again. 2 plus 3 plus 1 divided by 3 equals 2. All right. So the average is 2. All right. Now you still got to do blue and violet. So do blue and violet. But to graph it, so this spinach, you can see right here, spinach, you're going to graph it in blue. So we already got 2 of them. We got 3 of them. This one, and this one. We got red light, orange light, green light. So I grab my drawing tool. I get my blue. All right. So in red, it grew an average of 18.5. So you go down here. Remember, spinach is in blue. So I'm making a blue dots. With radish, you're going to go green. And lettuce, you're going to go red line. All right, so 18.5 in red light. This is kind of off, but just go up red. So 18.5 would be right about there somewhere. In orange light, it grew 14.3. So go up, there's 12, there's 14, right about there. In green light, it only grew an average of 2 centimeters. So in green, it's like way down here. So remember, you still got to do blue and violet. And if you want to make it look nice, you go here to add shapes, line, blue, and then just connect the dots like this. Voila. All right, so you still got to grow the spinach plants in blue and violet, and then switch to radish and go red, orange, green, blue, violet. Get your data and graph it in green, and then switch to the lettuce. Grow it in red, orange, green, blue, and violet. All right, my video cut me off. But anyways, so remember, you're going to do spinach in blue, radish in green, lettuce in red. Do your best and answer these questions down here the best you can. If you don't know the answer to one, just skip it. So here's what we're looking for: a good report from the sub. Do your best on this, and I'll help you out with it when I get back on Wednesday. All right, have a good day, and I'll see you Wednesday.